Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows build and whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit because GTA checks the system media components. This matters for the DLLs it expects. Once done, open Control Panel and inspect Turn Windows Features on or off to confirm Windows Media Player is installed and enabled. If third-party antivirus or shell extensions are active, disable them briefly. These can intercept installer calls and make the game report WMP as missing. Now move on to the detector files. Next, repair the media components. Toggle Windows Media Player off, restart, then enable it again. Doing so rebuilds feature registrations. After reboot, run an elevated sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files that break detection. Then re-register the critical WMP DLLs using an elevated command prompt regs for 32 for WNetMger. DLL, WMP. DLL and WMPlock. DLL to restore COM entries. Make sure required codecs and Visual C++ redistributables. Finally, run GTAV with elevated writes and ensure you launch the correct game executable for your system architecture. A 64-bit game may fail to detect a mismatched WMP install. Clear the game's cache and use Steam or the Rockstar launcher to verify game files so missing detection hooks are refreshed. If the problem persists, gather the game and Windows error logs and try an OS repair or system restore point. This often fixes deep registry or COM misconfigurations that prevent WMP from being detected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.